Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing this really pretty pink monochromatic look with you with bright pink lips. This is going to be perfect for summer, and I am using the Beauty Glazed Reversal Planet palette, which I found on Amazon for $10. This palette is so beautiful. It has such a pretty color story. It's super pigmented. They blend out really easily. And this is look number 2 using this palette. So the other look will be linked in the description box and in the cards. So check it out. And I'm using the Profusion eyeshadow primer and Hard Candy's Chilling Wonder powder to catch fallout. This palette really doesn't have a lot of fallout. The shadows aren't that like powdery, which is great. In this first row, I'm going to be taking this muted pink shade on a fluffy blending brush. I'm going to be applying this in the crease. This is such a pretty pink shade. This is like a pink shade that I would wear by itself on the lid and blend into the crease just for like a quick kind of look. So once I have a wash of that color in the crease, I'm going to be taking from the second shade this darker pink, and I believe that name was Prune. I'm going to apply this in the outer corner, and I'm going to bring it slightly up into the crease against the orbital bone. So I'm using my orbital bone as a guide here. And I'm just kind of pressing and pouncing that in the outer corner to get max pigment payoff. And this will also help have less fallout. Well, once that's done, you're going to see me go back in with the lightest pink shade. I still want that kind of peekabooing over the darker pink shade. So I'm going to add some more of that, and I'm going to add some more of the darker pink, and I'm going to blend those together. Once I have that and I'm happy, I'm going to take the Hard Candy Primer Spray, spritz my brush, and I'm going to be dipping into this beautiful shade called Cream. And it's a shimmery pink shade with a gold sheen, gold kind of reflect on it, or in it I should say. And it's so beautifully stunning. It's so beautiful. This could work with so many looks as a lid shade. So I'm just going to kind of like paint that on the lid, and once that's done, I'm using the NYX Single Eyeshadow in Pure Skin as my brow highlight. The brow highlight that I would consider that in the palette is a shimmery white, and I don't do too many shimmery whites in the brow bone area. But I do think on the highest point of the brow it would be pretty. So I'm just going to go through, blend, 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 and I'm showing that I'm holding the brush like really far back, so I have like kind of loose control. So it makes the blend, it makes it easier to blend that way. I'm taking the lightest pink shade on the lower lash line. WetnWild's Breakup eyeliner to tightline with. And in the waterline, I'm using a Santee gel eyeliner. It's just a pink, baby pink shade. And recently, I really love this eyeliner. This shade Pearl here is the shimmery white I was talking about, and I'm going to be using that in the inner corner as my inner corner highlight. And for lashes, Ioni lashes in the red infused feather cluster flare and the AOA Studio lash adhesive. These lashes are stunningly beautiful. Not only are they very full lashes, but they have red and pink and purple hairs in them. And I could not wait to use these colorful lashes on the channel. They are so pretty. And I skipped the mascara step because I don't want to get mascara on these colorful lashes. This lip combo here is from Langmanni from Temu, so I'm going to link that in the description box below. The lip shades from those kits are phenomenal and are amazing, and you should definitely check it out. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, found it helpful, and will try the look out for yourselves. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links as well as a product list. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more looks using the Beauty Glazed Reversal Planet palette.